you would be making something today.
I don't know.
No,
We'll
not
see.
again. We'll see.
We'll see.
Your team would be making a pie today, right?
Yeah, I
A
think
pie?
yeah, it is a winning dish, so definitely you'll enjoy it.
All right, so the chef, let's just call her.
Yeah, our chef is Valentina today. She is making a pie with us. She is really professional in making pies and everything like that. So I think you'll enjoy her cooking style, and maybe she'll tell you some secrets.
All right, thank you so much for joining us.
Basically, we have, as you see, flour, we have some butter, we also have eggs and some sugar powder. And our key ingredient today is cottage cheese. I think you don't have it in Pakistan, and we'll tell you how to make it. If someone is interested and want to try, you'll be able to.
All right, तो सबसे पहले I think ये जो obviously pie बना रही तो उसका crust पहले बनेगा, and you'll be making the crust first.
Yes.
Yeah.
У нас должно быть растопленное масло.
So we have our butter here. First of all, it should be melted. It's not, well, probably that melted.
Добавляем
We're adding some flour.
сначала часть муки,
Only a part of it first.
потом добавляем
And we're adding also one egg.
яйцо.
We'll also need some baking powder here. We're mixing it now.
Взбивать.
All right.
Да.
And we're adding the
Rest of the
rest
flour.
of the flour.
Okay.
Yes.
Gradually जो मैदा है वो आपने ऐड करना है जिस तरीके से shortcuts बनाते हैं.
So now we're going to make the base of our pie. Actually,
Okay.
Да, в холодильник
it's
можно
just
оставить.
it will just having some rest outside the fridge.
Okay.
So we usually don't use this technique.
बस इसको अच्छे तरीके से क्या करें, flatten out करना है. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है इसको. यहाँ पर इन्होंने क्या किया था, जो पाई का जो बेस था उसको अच्छे तरीके से flatten out कर दिया है. एंड आप देख सकते हैं साथ में अब जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप है आई थिंक बस एक मिक्सचर रेडी करना है जो फिलिंग होगी. ऑलराइट.
Теперь мы начинаем делать начинку.
Yes,
Берем творог,
Cottage cheese.
Yes, we're taking some cottage cheese. We have made it in advance because
добавляем
it's.
яйцо,
I'll tell about it later. So we're adding one egg into
एक
it,
अदद अंडा ऐड कर दिया cottage cheese के अंदर.
добавляем сливки,
some sour cream or dairy cream,
сахарная пудра.
and again some sugar powder. We don't need a mixer here at this step. We can do it ourselves with a fork. Yes. And actually, the cottage cheese is very popular in Russia. We eat it for breakfast. We eat it even for dinner when you are on a diet, for example, because it's
on a
very
diet,
healthy.
okay.
Yes, it's very healthy. There are not so many calories in it. So Miss Valentina is already putting all the filling into our
Okay.
cake.
Персики теперь
She's
украшаем
almost done now.
Yes, she's almost.
слайсами миндаля.
So some pieces of almond.
And before that
slices.
she actually
She added, yes, she
yeah.
added peaches.
peaches.
So
Можно использовать любые
अच्छा जो cottage
другие.
cheese थी उसको अच्छे तरीके से मिक्स कर लिया था, उसके अंदर पाउडर शुगर अंडा और उसको बस आपने अच्छे तरीके से स्मूथ कर लेना है. वो पहले बिछा के उसके ऊपर ये जो आपने पीचेस देखे या कोई भी ट्रॉपिकल फ्रूट आपके पास अवेलेबल है तो वो आपने सिंपली लगा लेना है. किस तरीके से लगाए, साथ में आलमंड्स की शेविंग्स है वो सिंपल डाल रही हैं. एंड इनटू द ओवन नाउ.
yes, we're ready to do it.
Alright.
So ставим
Теперь
в духовку.
ставим в духовку на 160 градусов примерно на 40-45 минут.
For 40-45 minutes.
Alright.
You should put it like 160 degrees Celsius. And now we basically have to wait.
Alright, for how long do we have to put?
40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Yes.
Alright, 40 minutes तक आपने जो है ना इसको अच्छे तरीके से बेक करने रख देना है. वैसे मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली हो जाएगा.
Cottage cheese pie with peaches. अच्छा मक्खन 100 ग्राम, मैदा 180 ग्राम, चीनी या पिसी चीनी 120 ग्राम, अंडे 2 अदद, बेकिंग पाउडर 1 चाय का चमचा, कॉटेज चीज 250 ग्राम, सार क्रीम, डेयरी क्रीम 50 ग्राम, सीजनल बेरीज फ्रूट हस्बे ज़रूरत.